Hey guys, it's Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm here at Tempe for Tempe Part 2 as requested by Thomas Buick, Susan Jeekins, Awesome 10, Henry Lim. Now passing platform 3 we have an off-sector Tangara. It's a Hornsby set, T77 being the front four cars. T97 being the rear four. Passing platform 2 we have Waratah A10. Passing platform 4 we have an Oscar, 8 cars, front 4 cars, H2. H38's the rear four. We have another off-sector Tangara, Hornsby sets, front 4 cars, T121. And the rear 4 cars, judging by the car numbers, T74. And as you can see just up there's a Tangara stopped. It is currently at Walleye Creek. Pretty much the same distance between Tempe and Walleye Creek than there is Clyde and Granville. We have a Tangara on its way. It'll stop here on platform 3 and then run limited stops to Bondi Junction. T34 is the front 4 cars. The rear 4 cars, T110. T110 used to be T133, and before that it was G33. We've got a Tangara passing platform 4, the front 4 cars, T10. The rear 4 cars, T52. T52 used to be a Hornsby set, it used to be numbered T66. T5 being the front 4 cars of this Tangara, passing platform 4. T43 is the rear 4. Arriving on platform 4 we have a Hurstville service. T14 is the front 4 cars. This train will stop at Walleye Creek, then all stations to Hurstville. And this will be the train that I'm getting on, so what I'll do is wrap up the vlog. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you all so much for watching, I really appreciate it. Goodbye for now.